Dear students, welcome to your physics class. Last class we were discussing about the chapter natural phenomena. There we learned two natural phenomena. Then we have today new chapter 16, light. Light is a form of energy. We see things around you. We enjoy the nature if light is there only. Light from a source. Which is the main source of light? Sun is the main source of light. The day, we have day and night. We have day because light from the sun, sunrise, make the things visible with the help of organ, our body organ, eyes. We have the sight because of light only. If light is not there, we cannot see anything. We will become blind, isn't it? Then, dear children, light is a form of energy which gives sensation of sight. We see the things around us, I said, when light falls on that object and reflected, this reflected light reaches our eyes. Light from the source fall on that object. From that object, light is reflected. This reflected light reaches our eyes. We can see the things. If light is not reflected or light is not there, things are not seen by us. So, dear children, we have learned many properties related to light. As I said, light is an energy form. Also, light wave, we will say. It is a wave of nature. It has wave nature also. Light wave. Light energy, light wave. Next year, 9th class, you will study light wave. Set time we have light wave. Light energy as well as it has wave form also, wave nature. Then we see, I said, light reflected. So light can be reflected when falls on an object which is shiny, smooth surface. This reflected light reaches. So reflection is a phenomenon connected to light. Reflection. It's a very important phenomenon related to light. The surface which reflects light, best example, mirror. You will spend some certain time morning before you are coming to school in front of mirror. You see there your image because of light reflection only. So, mirror is a shiny polished surface. Shiny polished surface. So, any shiny polished surface, when light falls, their reflection taken place. This reflection taken place is following certain laws. These are the laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Light, they travel in a straight line only. You learned in last classes, maybe 7th class. Light can travel in a straight line. And light is reflected when falls like a mirror objects. Then they follow laws of reflection. So this chapter we are mainly starting with the laws of reflection. There are two main laws. What are the laws today we are going to learn? Laws of reflection. We have a mirror or mirror like a plane surface. Mirror is a opaque body only. Through that light cannot pass, the reflection taken place. Then the light ray which falls on the mirror, we can represent like that with an arrow mark. So light ray we will be represent like that only. So this is a light ray which is called incident ray. Incident ray. What we call? It is a incident ray. What will happen when it falls onto this mirror? Mirror M dash shows mirror. Then it will be reflected. Reflected. Then what we call this ray? Reflected ray. What we call? Reflected ray. So here we have two rays, incident ray and a reflected ray. Then we can draw a normal perpendicular to this plane. Normal is a ray also. This is normal. Normal. We draw a line which is perpendicular to this plane. We say normal. Then here we have two angles connecting with this normal. This is angle of incidence represented by I. Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. What is angle of incidence? It is the angle between incident ray and normal. This is the angle between incident ray and normal. We have this is normal, this is incident ray. So there is an angle between normal and incident ray. This is angle of incidence. Then what is this angle? This angle is called angle of reflection. R. Angle of reflection. Denoted by R. So we have two angles, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Suppose it is 45 degree. Then this also how many degree it will come? 45 degree for normal incidence. For normal incidence, angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. This is the first law of reflection. So we can tell the first law, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This is one of the laws of reflection. Both angles are equal. That is angle I equal to angle R. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. If it is both angle, if suppose angle of incidence I equal to 60 degree, angle R also how many degree? We can tell as 60 degree. If it is angle I 45 degree, then angle R also 45 degree. Then if angle I is 30 degree, angle R also 30 degree. For normal incidence, angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. This is one of the laws of reflection. So we have what is first law of reflection? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Both angles are equal. Angle I equal to angle R. Then we go for second law of reflection. Example time, suppose angle of incidence is given. What will be angle of reflection? You can write the same angle as angle of reflection. What we call this ray? This is incident ray. This is what? Reflected ray. This is normal. Incident ray. Reflected ray. Normal. Here we have three rays, incident ray, reflected ray and normal. They lie on a same plane. If you have M dash is a plane. These three rays lie on a same plane. So we have incident ray and normal at the point of incidence. If O is a point of incidence, normal at the point of incidence and reflected ray. These three rays lie on a same plane. It is a second law of reflection. So what is first law? Is that angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection, and we have a incident ray, normal and reflected ray. These three lie on a same plane. This is another laws of reflection. So how many laws are there? There are two laws. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection, and incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence lie on a same plane. These are the laws of reflection. Today, this class, every class we have only mainly concentrating on these laws of reflection. Dear children, you have to read textbook and you have to learn what are the laws of reflection. So what are the laws of reflection? Incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie on a same plane, and angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Next class, we will learn properties connected with the image formed by a plane mirror. So mirror is object which reflection taken place. Any polished plane surface can reflect the light rays. Light is a form of energy as well as it is a wave form. Then they can, when light reflects, they follow laws of reflection. Laws of reflection are angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. Then incident ray, reflector ray and normal lie on a same plane. So by that we are concluding the class. Dear children, you have to learn the laws of reflection from textbook. Thank you children.